It's nap time. You're gonna go to sleep? I have to take Jacob to martial arts. I do. Hi, Zoe. Hey, come on in. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right. Come on down. Yes. Hi. You wanted to say hi to everybody? Yeah? Lucky just loves Zoe so much. He's always taking care of Zoe. Thank you, Lucky. I know that feels good, Zoe. Gonna go right to sleep. Hi.
Precious. What did you do that for? What did you do that for?
He thinks he found a treasure.
What did you do that for? What did you do that for? What did you do that for?
Tell him.
You found a treasure?
So there's a treasure in here, and I just want to get it.
Probably your phone. I mean, your like your ear case or something.
That's what it is. Okay.
She's not gonna stop till she has your ear case.
Okay.
Precious, what are you doing? She made a hole in your pants.
It's okay.
Just